Hey, Coach Greg here with Squat Training, and today I have a lose arm fat fast workout. I know that's a tongue twister, but the goal is we really want to lose the bat wings, really tighten and tone our arms. So let's get started. So without further ado, let's get started with our first exercise. We have up, down, opens. What you're gonna wanna do is have your feet shoulder width apart. We're gonna put 30 seconds on the clock. Here we go. So we're just gonna extend. We're gonna go up, down, and then open. Up, down, open. This is really gonna help us with our shoulders, our arms. Make sure you're reaching with your fingertips up, down, open, boom. So if you're flying away, this is almost similar to TYI. So go up, go down, really open and extend. And again, reach with those fingertips, core tight, back flat. Make sure you're breathing. Couple more seconds and down. Great job. Next, we have the prayer push out. You're gonna wanna stand up nice and tall. This is also gonna be almost like a chest workout as well. We wanna press our fingers and our hands together. We really want your arms 90-degree angles. All we're doing is pressing out. It becomes an isometric squeeze. So as you're pressing, just like this. So turn in and out just like this. So 30 seconds, and here we go. So press, squeeze, really screw your feet into the ground. So as you're here, boom, you're gonna feel the squeeze all up in your arms, your forearms, your triceps, your biceps, everything. If you want, you can just like point with it. If this is easier for you, I like to start in the prayer position and rotate my fingers out. Again, make sure you're breathing and really squeeze, push. All the tension comes from how much you're pushing your hands together. And down. Great job. Next, we have the lateral arm pulses. You're gonna want your arms straight out to your sides, and we're gonna stay in this pocket almost like it's a flutter. So 30 seconds, and let's go. Again, feet tight, back flat, core tight. Really extend with your fingertips as far as you can, and then just stay within this pocket, because once we drop our arms, that means gravity is no longer working for us, and we're letting go of that tension. So by staying in this motion right here, you don't have to go beyond a 90-degree angle with your arms, but right here works. Really extend. You're definitely gonna feel this in the back of your arms. It's gonna get very fatigued very fast. Really extend though. You got this. And down. Ooh, shake your arms out. I know they're tired, mine are too, but we're gonna finish strong with some bicep curls. Normally you would do this with weight, but again, we're really gonna focus on isometrics and really make sure we're feeling that squeeze, especially in our biceps. So you want your arm straight in front of you, hinge from your elbow, and all we're doing is squeezing, coming up just like this. So you can do this with like dumbbells if you have it. You can do this with a resistance band, whatever you want. So here we go, 30 seconds, and here we go. So extend your arms in front of you and squeeze. You should feel it in your biceps here. Pretend that there's something behind you. You can even do something like this. But really make sure you squeeze. We don't want to lift up because then we're activating our shoulder. The goal is we want everything coming from right here. I know it seems silly. You're like, why am I squeezing? Like, there's no weight. Trust me. By the third set, you're gonna feel great. There it is. If you're squeezing, make sure you elongate the whole time, and done. Great job. We're gonna grab some water, then we're gonna get started with set number 2 in just a second. Alrighty, you now know what you're doing. We're trying to lose arm fat, baby. So this is how we do it. Set number 2 starts now. Up, down, open. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Prayer push out. 3, 2, 1, go. Lateral arm pulses, 3, 2, 1, go. Bicep curls, 3, 2, 1, go. Great job, second set done. Let's grab some water and we'll finish strong with one more set. Prayer push out, 3, 2, 1, go. Lateral arm pulses, 3, 2, 1, go. Bicep curls, 3, 2, 1, go. And there you have it. That's how you lose arm fat fast. Hope you love this workout as much as I did. Go ahead and click the notification bell if you haven't already. Leave comments. Let us know what you like, what you don't like. And again, you have so many workouts and recipes coming from Coach Mayer, Coach Gabby, Coach Greg. That is me. I will see you in the next video. Stay strong, my friend. Peace. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell to receive notifications for our latest videos. We have tons of content from workouts to recipes updated daily.